From the streets of New York in 2018, FLYE e-bike sought to capitalize on the rapid growth of electric vehicles, particularly electric bikes and scooters. After going over its story, we'll delve into its geographic reach and financial situation, as well as its plans moving forward. FLYE has positioned itself to meet the increasing demand for personal EVs, especially in urban environments. As e-commerce and food delivery services surged during the COVID-19 lockdown, FLYE e-bike found a niche in serving food delivery workers who need efficient, eco-friendly transportation in congested areas like New York City. The company sources its vehicle components primarily from China and the U.S., with assembly taking place in a Brooklyn facility, though it is looking to expand its production capacity. This growth, however, faces risks tied to supply chain dependencies, particularly with Chinese suppliers, and potential issues like tariffs or global trade disruptions. Fortunately for FLYE, it benefits from relatively early market entry and has gained a strong local customer base, particularly in New York, through product upgrades and consistent improvements. For example, it's developing an app to enhance customer experience and is introducing an extended warranty program, FLYE e-bike Care, for long-term customer support. On the road ahead, FLYE plans to expand by targeting delivery workers and improving brand recognition through flagship stores, collaborations, and offering accessories. It also envisions its retail locations as logistics hubs for small package deliveries. Giving FLYE a boost on this journey is the New York City Department of Transportation, which chose FLYE as the official e-bike provider for its e-bike trade-in program. With the flagship FLYE 11 Pro model being distributed as part of a pilot program aimed at replacing uncertified e-bikes with safer, certified models, targeting around 400 e-bikes for NYC delivery workers. The FLYE 11 Pro was chosen for its advanced safety features, including UL 2849 certified e-bike components and UL 2271 certified batteries, along with a robust battery management system, durability, and superior range, aligning with NYC's goal of improving safety and sustainability by replacing unsafe e-bikes and lithium-ion batteries with certified alternatives, furthering the existing relationship with New York from the previous NYC Equitable Commute project. That being said, the road hasn't always been smooth over the past year following FLYE's IPO. In July, it announced a 1-for-5 reverse stock split, with the main goal of increasing the stock's market price since each 5 shares get combined into 1 share. This, in turn, helps FLYE meet the necessary listing requirements for NASDAQ, as well as to attract institutional investors. Indeed, FLYE's falling stock price has led to struggles with NASDAQ's minimum bid price requirement. Financially, FLYE's revenues have tended to decline with its fiscal year 2025 results, showing net revenues of $25.4 million, down from $32.2 million in FY 2024. Similarly, the first quarter of fiscal year 2026, ending June 30, 2025, had net revenues of $5.3 million, a 32.3% decline from $7.9 million in the same period last year. This decline was mainly due to lower sales volume and a reduced average sales price of electric vehicles, stemming from the broader impact of safety concerns related to lithium battery incidents and the closure of retail stores. However, the company's wholesale revenue grew by 42.3%, supported by an expanding dealer network. Overall net loss increases while gross profit had tended to decrease, though gross margin has shown minor improvements, due to higher margin rental services offering over 100 models of electric motorcycles, bikes, and scooters throughout New York City, Toronto, and Los Angeles. Gross margins have also been helped by cost reductions and favorable pricing from suppliers, particularly in battery sourcing. Despite financial challenges, CEO Andy Yu emphasizes the improved gross margin, as well as diversification of its product portfolio to over 100 models across electric motorcycles, bikes, and scooters, while its rental service is set to expand into Miami and other markets. Other plans to keep rolling along focus on product safety and enhancing customer experience through digital platforms like the GoFly app. FLYE also remains optimistic due to its strong reputation, continued investments in marketing, an expanded product portfolio, and expanding its geographic presence, leading to FLYE entering the Latin American market with the grand opening of its first retail store in Mexico City. Made possible through a partnership with eSolomo, one of Mexico's leading electric mobility brands, allowing FLYE to extend its reach through eSolomo's established sales network and local expertise to accelerate market penetration in Mexico. The collaboration includes leveraging IoT technology and smart mobility solutions, along with the establishment of an after-sales service network to enhance customer support. eSolomo assists FLYE in localizing its products and optimizing the supply chain, while FLYE provides eSolomo access to its proprietary technologies. FLYE CEO Andy Yu emphasized that Mexico's electric two-wheeler market offers significant growth potential, and this expansion is a key part of the company's international growth strategy. FLYE plans to open more stores across Mexico and continue expanding, with sites set on South America and Europe later. Closer to home, FLYE opened a new retail location in Boston, Massachusetts. The new store offers FLYE e-bikes' full range of electric bikes, e-scooters, and accessories, along with on-site services, supporting its long-term expansion strategy across major U.S. markets. The Boston location is part of FLYE's growing retail network, now encompassing over 40 stores across North America, including in New York, New Jersey, and other key cities. So while the road may not always be pristine, FLYE keeps cruising along. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.